So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see where you are logged in TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. So now tap on profile icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on three line, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on security and permissions. Then you can see the option of manage devices, so tap here and wait for seconds. Now see, you can see the history where you are logged in. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.